Looking for the best robot mops? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 robot mops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. bObsweep PetHair Vision. Capable of mopping and vacuuming at the same time. Recharges automatically. Easy to program and schedule. Integrated camera monitors the environment for obstacles. Available in 2 colors. It may be inconvenient to buy its mop accessories alongside the robot itself, but having a dual vacuuming and mopping robot is well worth the investment. Mopping attachment and cloths are sold separately. Has a small learning curve. At number 2. ILIFE V5s Pro. Sleek and powerful, this model is also slightly lower on the price spectrum, and users say it offers a good value for the money. It's praised for cleaning well overall, and it does best on hardwood and other hard surfaces. A top contender in robotic cleaners at a good price point that sweeps and mops, giving consumers a 2-for-1 value for their investment. Bargain pick. Some issues with short battery life and occasional problems with the unit malfunctioning after months of use. At number 1. Samsung Jetbot Mop. Runs for 100 minutes and covers up to 2,000 feet on a full battery. Optimized for hardwood and tile. Features 8 cleaning modes. Sensors avoid falls and obstacles. Excels at removing dust, hair, and spills. The Jetbot Mop is full of innovative cleaning features and deeply cleans a large area between charges, making it a solid choice for most homes. Doesn't offer a deep scrubbing, so you'll need to go over areas with stubborn stains manually. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.